Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening PowerShell as administrator because we need registry access. Type PowerShell in Start, right-click and pick Run as administrator. This gives you the permissions to query system keys. Once done, understand why. The NET release level is stored in the registry, not a simple control panel entry, so elevated rights avoid permission errors. Make sure user account control accepts the action. If it blocks, sign in with an admin account and try again. Now you run the registry queries. In the elevated PowerShell, use getitem property path hklm /software /Microsoft /NET framework setup /NDP /v4 full name release to retrieve the released word. You do this because the release number maps to a specific NET framework version. PowerShell returns a numeric code, not a friendly name. Once you have the number, compare it against the known mapping table to determine the exact version. Make sure to copy the release value exactly for lookup. Finally, translate that release number to the NET framework version using the official mapping. For example, 528,040 corresponds to NET framework 4.8. If the v4 full key or release value is missing, check v4 client or look in Programs and Features for installed Microsoft NET entries. If an expected version is absent, run Windows Update, repair the framework via Programs and Features, or reinstall the redistributable. If problems persist, reboot and requery the registry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.